At Huntsman, we develop products that meet the needs of many industries, and we focus on one goal: making our customers' ideas possible. To make those ideas possible, close collaboration between our customers and our internal technical experts is essential. Those exchanges worldwide are crucial to monitor changing markets and regulations. In doing so, we can deliver innovative and regulatory compliant solutions while keeping the environment as well as health and safety as a top priority. We've been pioneering in adhesive for more than 70 years, and today we proudly offer more than 200 adhesives to the most demanding industries. And beyond products, we are committed to help our customers through simulation, testing, and processing services.
All the adhesive products tested and then all the test data generated are performed in our ISO 17025 accredited testing center. By performing a wide range of mechanical and physical tests, including specific aging, the purpose of testing adhesives at Huntsman is to generate the characterization data that is required by the business. Our objective is to ensure adhesive delivered the expected properties and answer the specific needs of customers. In addition, we provide our customer digital bonding simulation data and knowledge.
Surface preparation plays a key role in achieving full bond strength and full bond durability. Different types of surface treatment are selected depending on the type of substrate that we're bonding and also the type of adhesive that we're using. We also have to consider the manufacturing process that we're using, as well as the performance requirements of the final bonded part. At Huntsman, we can advise you on appropriate surface treatment depending on your application.
The right adhesive quantity and condition require specific understanding and technical expertise. We at Huntsman Advanced Materials, we have the right experts to guide you through our product portfolio in order to select the right adhesive. Once this is done, our application engineers will help you to select the right dispenser or the right machinery. To complement our technical offer, we have simulation lab capabilities as well. By providing expert development support, we help our customers improve predictability, accelerate time to market, and achieve their project within expectations. At Huntsman, we make our customers' ideas possible. If you have an idea we can help with, please contact us.